So, hi guys. Ma-lipstick tada may subong kay bago tayo nga hilamos. Lipstick, blend it like that. And the upper. So now, may shadow kita gamay sa bata. Blend, then blend to the other side, put in the lips, blend ulit, then blend ulit, like that. Tapos, konting, ano lang, tas blush. So that's all guys, bye!